Well, here we go. Nice drill. DeWalt plug in. Took the screws out of the bitch. Okay. Well. Nice gear. Now, okay, the gear on the shaft looks alright. I'll call that a worm gear, but it's really not, but it could be called that. I'll check it. I gotta make sure if this thing, I gotta make sure the bushings, the armature shaft is held tight. This gear has good bearings, and not only good bearings, look at this close-up phone. See that movement in this bearing? Like, let's just say this was not, had a ton of movement. It's not good. We'll call it the bearing seat. Gotta check that out. That all checks out fairly good. The bearings are good. I'll see if I can get this power takeoff gear or output gear. We'll see. What a shame. Nice, looks like a nice heavy duty drill, but I don't know what someone did to it. Alright. Tour's checking out. Still no parts for this Ninja. Talk to you later. Like and sub.